What does it mean to leave a legacy of kindness, empathy, and leadership in an era of global crisis and change? One may find an answer in the career of Jacinda Ardern, New Zealand's youngest ever Prime Minister, who stepped down after 5 years in office. In October 2017, at the age of 37, Ardern assumed office, making history as the world's youngest female head of government. She was a breath of fresh air, a symbol of progress for women leaders worldwide. Ardern's tenure was not without its trials, however. From the Christchurch mosque shootings to the White Island volcano eruption and the global COVID-19 pandemic, she faced significant obstacles that tested her leadership. In response to the Christchurch attacks, Ardern demonstrated the power of compassion and swift action. She received international acclaim for her heartfelt response to the tragedy and her immediate implementation of stringent gun control measures. This approach showcased a unique blend of empathy and decisiveness, a hallmark of Ardern's leadership style. Ardern further made headlines when she attended the United Nations General Assembly with her infant daughter in tow, once again breaking new ground for women in leadership. This act was a powerful statement about the compatibility of motherhood and governance, challenging traditional norms and expectations. Under Ardern's leadership, New Zealand's parliament was a beacon of diversity, reflecting a progressive vision for the nation's future. Her Labour Party won a landslide majority in the elections, testament to her popularity among the public. However, her tenure was not without its challenges. Ardern faced criticism for issues such as the housing crisis and rising living costs, a reminder that even the most admired leaders are not immune to domestic policy struggles. Despite these hurdles, Ardern remained steadfast in her commitment to kindness, sensitivity, and authenticity. She believed that anyone, regardless of their personality or background, could be a leader. She emphasized the importance of removing politics from issues like climate change, advocating for collective action over partisan squabbles. So, what is Jacinda Ardern's legacy? It is one of compassionate leadership, of shattering glass ceilings, and of navigating a nation through crisis with empathy and resolve. It is a legacy that has left an indelible mark on New Zealand and the world, showing us what is possible when we lead with our hearts.